Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Today, as usual, we are starting with the gold analysis forecast and let's see what's happening in the market. Let me share my screen with you. Right. Okay, today we had a news CPI, right. Core CPI and CPI was same as previously, and CPI YY was negative. Unemployment claims were negative. Gold went up, but however, because it's a it's a bearish momentum, and market is in a bearish trend, so it went back down again. So overall we had a good run for the gold. If you know how to trade, then I'm sure you made some profits. All right. Uh, Going on to daily. Let's see what it is a huge movement. Around 1930, around 1912, nearly 200 pips movement. That's a huge reduction, as you can see here. And what next? Let's see what is next. Before we do that, let's go on to Forex Factory for the 11th of August 2023. And we have quite few news, especially for the USD. It's more we are interested. And there's a GBP 7 a.m. We're not much interested in that. However, 130 core PPI and PPI MM and with 3 p.m. USD prelim UOM consumer sentiment and US again USD prelim UM inflation expectations at 3 p.m. Which is medium pack news. So we've got a few news there. So let's see how the market reacts to those news. Guys, it's quite easy when the news is positive, it will be in it will be in green color, as you can see. News is positive. If it's negative, it will be in red color. So you can quickly find out it's negative, positive, and according to your analysis, then you can trade if you want to trade on the news. Right. Let's see what's happening in Dixie. Dixie is going in the channel in 4 hours. This channel was broken. It was going in the channel, and now this channel was broken, as you can see. The retesting the channel. This is a resistance area, and I'm expecting to break this resistance, and we can go further to the upside. 103.50 level. And the gold, as a result, gold should come down. Why? Let's see what's happening in the gold. So 1912 level, and next level is around, let me put in 4 hour. 1910 is the next level. And after that, with 1902. And then we have levels 1900, and then we got 1893. So eventually, I'm expecting the level of 1900. So this $100, 100 pip movement still remaining. As we know, the goal is going in the channel, and we may be expecting a spike on the news here especially if the news is negative on the and then gold might spike and before goes to the upside. But however, nothing is guaranteed. We have to move according to our analysis. Let's see what happened here. Look, there's a huge rejection in forehead at 1930 level, very important level, as you can see. There's a huge rejection. It's a very good sell opportunity we had here. And let me go into 1 hour. We had a sell opportunity here as well. 1922 was a level as well. And before that, you can see these are the pivot levels, and according to market structure, you could have taken these sell trades because market is in the downside trend. So high probability trades would be trades in the downside, which is the trend direction. So that's the benefit of taking trades in trend direction. That if even your trade is not have much probability, but trend's probability is very, very powerful. Right. So I hope this is helpful, and I'll speak to you very soon. If you have any questions, comments, please do put in the comment section, and I'll get back to you. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.